I need my nutrients before I watch 10 because if not, I will probably pass out. Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out 10 Birthday. I heard a lot about this. I heard a lot about you, 10. Slaying everybody's hearts and shit. I mean, me too. But I feel like 10 is such a unique artist. He already dangerous when he's in the group, and he's in like one of the biggest groups. That's Solo Dolo. Solo Dolo? We're gonna be checking this out. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Station, SM Station, NCT Lab 10 Birthday MV. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. What is happening? Damn, did he work out? I'm so sorry for pausing. Actually, I'm not sorry because let me do me. For free? Damn. Oh, that's the...
So yeah, they hit me with that one.
What? Damn, he got nice arms.
Baby, dance.
Like he started to seduce me.
Wrap me up for your devotion.
Baby, I'm not even here.
Yes. I didn't even know what he said. I just said yes. I don't know what.
My body rocking in slow motion.
Hey yo. That gave me chills. When he said slow motion, that gave me chills, bro. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? The goosebumps? AKA he got me wrecked already.
Daddy! I mean...
Anyways. Ooh. Oh, he chained up. Need help? I might have the key. Oh, ooh. A little, ooh. No self-control? What you want? All of it?
Like tonight's your birthday. Every second.
And now he's literally all I ever think about. Like,
I should have known. After hearing out that, after reading that the title's called Birthday, I was like, oh, it must be a happy song. Nah, this shit is like...
Make you feel like tonight's your birthday. Every second, every minute, make me wanna celebrate.
Like the, ooh.
Everything about your perfect.
Bro, I know 10 could kill a good ass body roll, bro. Yo, 10, if you're watching this, let's have a body roll competition because I really want to see your body rolls in person. I mean, I have. I think. Just what? Just the way your mama made it. Okay, falsetto.
Let's make tonight your birthday. I put my hands.
Where you put your hands?
I know you wanna hold them.
But wait. I put my hands. Damn, that was
them.
baby, I'm not even here. I'm a hallucination. Move around.
Yes.
I wanna be in so deep, baby. Floating like we deep inside an ocean.
How deep we get it though?
No, I don't care as long as I got you there, baby. Let's keep falling. I'm talking with my hands. Oh, baby, here is my confession. Let's make tonight your birthday.
I mess with this. It's like literally like, hey. I feel like I've seen 10's nipples so much throughout my watching K-pop.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Just want to make that a fact note. You know, just to make sure you guys know. Ooh, look at that chandelier. Ooh, god damn, 10. Yo, shout out to the dancers too. They making that. Ooh. See, this is what I'm talking about. You know you made it when you got abs and then you like crunch. You know you crunch and there's no body roll at all. Beautiful. I mean I don't have that. That's all we want. We just want the full attention. That's what people don't realize. Just give me the full attention. Don't give me half. Why does give me like Make-A-Wish kind of ish? Look at this ish. Oh, the knee pads. I mean, are those knee pads? Those are like knight in shining armor knee pads, right? Oh, he drowned in the Badussi. I mean the water. What the?
Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Ooh, okay. Footwork. Ooh, that transition to the white suit. Ooh. It's like a padded suit. These outfits have been a point though. Thing is that I would wear these outfits, but it would not look the same. Oh, they're all wearing like a veil too. That's right. Ooh, what the f did he do? A reverse body roll from his hips? Damn, he got his hips don't lie. I don't think I can do that. Damn, okay, you okay. Oh, you been working out, huh? Look at them arms though. Just the way your mama made it. What? Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Oh, we don't need a way, okay. Ooh.
Let's make tonight your birthday.
Hey, stop. Stop with your sexy ass. And yeah, you know, everybody in the comments are probably gonna agree. Stop, but keep on going, you know what I'm saying? Shit. Yo, 10's birthday. I didn't know what to expect, but I knew what to expect. I was like, okay, 10, you gonna kill that ish. But like the last comeback was totally different from this comeback. That's why they named you 10, because you're a 10 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? The f. I'm gonna end it on that now. Hey, put in comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Yeah, please put in comments down below what you guys think of this music video, this song. What do you think of 10? If you guys haven't already, go follow the Twitch. I'm going live tonight for K-pop and chill. Link in the description. Go follow the live. I'm going live around 5 p.m. PST. So if you want to say hi, say what's up, come through. We're gonna be checking out K-pop music videos over there on Twitch. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE, and I'll see you guys in the next video.